Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your battery percentage without looking on your phone or any other device that you have this Sony XM5 connected to. So in order to do this, we'll need to take a look on our headphones, and they need to be powered on. Now click the power key right here on your left headphone. It's this one. Click it once, and you will hear the assistant voice on how much percentage of a battery is left on this headphones. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.